Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question from JEE Main 2025 April attempt. A body of mass 1 kilogram is suspended with the help of two strings making angles as shown in the figure. Magnitude of the tension T1 and T2 respectively are in Newton. So student, this is the body which is hanged with the two strings. One is making angle 30 degree with a horizontal and its tension is T2. We resolve this tension T2 cos 30, and in this direction it is T2 sin 30, and here it is connected with another string whose inclination or slope from this horizontal line is 60. Tension is T1. We resolve this tension T1 cos 60 and T1 sin 60. Okay, and its weight work in downward direction, which is mg. M is 1, so 1g or 10 Newton. So after resolving forces or tensions, since body is in equilibrium, therefore left side force equal to the right side force. So T1 cos 60 equal to T2 cos 30. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is under root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. T1 upon T2 equal to under root 3 upon 1, or we write T1 upon root 3 equal to T2 upon 1, that is equal to K. Let so T1 equal to under root 3 K and T2 equal to K. Now upper force equal to downward force. So T1 sin 60 plus T2 sin 30 equal to, this is mg, which is 10 Newton. 10. So T1 sin 60 is root 3 by 2. T2 sin 30 is 1 by 2 equal to 10. Multiplying by 2 both side, we got root 3 T1 plus T2 equal to 10 into 2. This is 20. Putting the values, root 3 T into T1 is root 3K, T2 is K, that is 20. So this is 3K plus K equal to 20. This is 4K, 20, K equal to 5. Therefore T1 equal to root 3 into K, which is root 3 into 5 or 5 root 3 Newton T1, and T2 equal to K, which is 5 Newton. So T2 equal to 5 Newton. So 5 root 3 and 5 Newton are the correct answer. B option is correct. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.